Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the Diamond Cord YouTube channel again. This is part 2 of the new windshield install on Peterbilt 362 here. So I got the whole window surround all cleaned up and patched up as best as possible. I've got the seal in. I did get this corner glass in, brand new. Look at that. Packard, real Packard glass. People that bought this windshield before I bought the truck had some class. So I believe the big windshield is Packard as well. So yeah, I've got the surround all cleaned up, got the seal in. I gotta go get the wife and get her to come out and help me get that piece of glass out of the sleeper, because I don't want to drop it, and it's a long way from the ground to the sleeper. So I'll get her out here and I'll get that out, and we'll get started and we'll get back to you. Maybe I can get her to film a little bit. All right, be back soon. All right guys, so we have the windshield in. I'm gonna try the old school technique of the string trick. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna see. If not, then I'll just finagle it in there. This big giant seal, one piece, is a major pain in the butt, just like I thought it was gonna be. This giant piece of glass is not right. Major pain in the butt, just like I thought it was gonna be. But it's up here, and I'm not gonna say anything yet, but it's up here. That's all I'll say. So I'm gonna try this string trick thing and see what happens. And the problem is I think this visor is too low for me to be able to pull upwards, but I'm gonna try it anyway. And see if it sucks it. Started to. That might work. Probably is I only had a piece of wire and it's not string. If I had a piece of rope, I think it would be perfect. On the other side. I'll get back with you. So. I'm gonna wrap it really, really tight on this side, and then hopefully that'll fix my issue. Sort of working. Missed a spot right here where it went back under, so I'm gonna see if I can take something and grab it and pop it back up. And, it kind of sits on the edge of the lip, and then you just kind of lightly push it and it pops right in. Old timers, they did know stuff. With a blunt edge. I don't think it's sharp enough to get underneath. Need the right tool for the job, Donnie. Alright, so I'm about 3/4 of the way. I'm gonna get this to, I might have to go on the inside and try to push that up a little bit over the lip. Alright, so that worked. Gotta push that. What's that, bud? And you can see, you just kind of hit the glass real hard and break it. But now you just kind of pull and apply light pressure to the actual window. I'm gonna need some lube. Alright, so there's many different things you can use for this job. My preference is Black Magic Tire Shine. It's not too slippery. It's not, how do you say, not slippery enough. And it's good for the rubber, so it works out perfect. It's what I like to use. A lot of people use Windex, a lot of people use WD-40. I find that this works the best, and that's what I try to use. No matter what you do, you gotta clean the windshield and everything after, so. Sometimes soap and water gets too slippery, Windex dries out real quick. Come on, there we go. There she goes. Boom, just like that, she's in. We got her. Too far to the driver's side. We don't want to have that same issue on the driver's side as the passenger side. So I need to get it to slide a little bit, hopefully. If I can, then we'll be in good shape. Let me see that hammer, please. guess we'll end it off here. It is what it is. Stuff happens. Maybe we'll get it fixed on the next one. Hey, what's up, guys? So, you know, stuff happens. I'm sitting here in the Peterbilt now. And man, this glass looks beautiful. Except for it doesn't. Over on the driver's side where I broke it. Yeah, I'll flip you around and I'll show you what it looks like, even though it's broke. So I guess we'll get a preview of what it looks like when I get the new piece of glass. Yeah, look at it. It's so crystal clear, it doesn't even look like it's there. Man, gorgeous. Until it's not. So, yeah, I broke it. It sucks. It was all in. All I had to do was, I should have just left it alone, but me being who I am, I'm like, well, it's a little bit, needs to be slid over a little bit. It's not exactly in the right spot. And, you know, I tried to move it and I broke it. And that really, really sucks. I have no idea how much that's going to cost me. That's why I've been reluctant to do this job, because it's such a huge one piece and it's such a weak piece of glass that, you know, just due to its sheer size makes it weaker than, you know, say purples. So yeah, I don't know what it's going to cost, but I'll figure it out and I'll get a new piece. James uses a guy who comes out and cuts the glass and installs it, but he said the dude's outrageous, so yeah, that's not gonna be a thing. So I think I'm just gonna go to Peterbilt. In my history with replacing purples windshields, it was much cheaper just to get them from Kenworth. I think I got both windshields for purple for $382, you know, which I imagine is what this giant piece is going to cost at least. You know, it sucks, but it is what it is. You know, I couldn't have broke one of the side pieces, or, you know, the driver's side corner piece that I have an extra one of. You know, of course it had to be the big piece of glass. All I had to do was stick the lock ring back in it and put the 2 pieces of aluminum strip on, and, you know, I just had to keep messing with it and messing with it and messing with it, and that's what I get, I guess. But you live and you learn. Next time I'm gonna get it in there and I'm gonna leave it the hell alone. Alright guys, well, I guess we'll end it on the tragedy of breaking the new glass, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.